The sweet mother who lives in a shoe. There is a sweet mother who lives in a shoe with a dog and a cat and a kangaroo. She loves her pets and her children too, even though they number 22. I have to admit that her shoe is somewhat of a zoo. The mother awakes each day to the chatter of her crew. She sweetly kisses each one and says, I love you. She opens her shoe tongue to a beautiful view and smiles at the cat, the dog, and kangaroo. As her daily task begins to work through, the children pitch in on cue. Fixing eggs and toast and cheese fondue, everyone knows just what to do. Even when the cat, the dog, and the kangaroo, and everyone cleans up when breakfast is through. The children scatter all over the shoe, finding interesting things to do. Some paint pictures, others build castles, and one blows his kazoo, while mother sings lullabies and polishes her shoe. Everyone has something to do, even the dog and the kangaroo. When nighttime comes, the mother makes a tasty stew to feed her brood of 22. And of course, the dog, the cat, and the kangaroo. She bathes the children in suds of lavender blue and kisses them softly and says, I love you. This ends the story of a happy family whose residence is a cozy shoe.